Today we learn about modal verbs in question form. Modal verbs are special helping verbs that express ability, permission, obligation, possibility, and advice. This lesson focuses on how to form questions using these important verbs. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that modify the main verb to show different meanings. They express ability like can and could, permission like may, obligation like must, possibility like might, and advice like should. Common modals include can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. To form questions with modal verbs, place the modal before the subject followed by the base form of the main verb. For example, can you help me? Could you pass the salt? May I leave early? This structure works for all modal verbs when asking questions. The basic pattern for modal questions is modal plus subject plus base verb. Notice the word order changes from statement to question. Can you swim becomes the subject you after can. Could I leave follows the same pattern with subject I after could. Yes/no questions expect a simple yes or no answer. They are closed questions that confirm or deny information. Can you drive asks for confirmation of ability. Will she come seeks a yes or no about future action. These questions start with the modal verb. WH questions ask for specific information using what, where, when, why, or how. They are open questions expecting detailed answers. Where can we go asks for location. What should I do seeks specific advice. The WH word comes first, then modal, subject, verb. Here are the 9 most common modal verbs grouped for easy learning. First group, can for present ability, could for past or polite requests, may for formal permission. Second group, might for possibility, shall for suggestions with we, should for advice. Third group, will for future, would for polite questions, must for strong obligation. Now practice forming modal questions. For yes/no questions, try can she dance, will you help, should we wait. For WH questions, ask where can we eat, what should I buy, when will it start. Practice switching between yes/no and WH question types.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.